Alright guys, today we're going to be replacing the EGR valve on the old 2001 Pontiac Firebird V6. We're going to need a ratchet and a 13mm socket. There is one nut there and another right there. Just two nuts. Pretty easy. Let's get to it. This right nut was like really hard. Had to put a substantial amount of pressure, but now it's loose. Could be hard, but I think it's loose enough. So let me check. I can put my fingers in there. Yeah, I can unscrew it with my fingers now. You don't want to drop these into there, because good luck finding that. Let me see, should come off. Got it. There it is. One. Have a little pocket here. And then just do the same thing the other side here. Okay, you got both nuts off. Then you're gonna want to disconnect sensor here. Just disconnect. It has a small clip on the bottom, and then you should be able to just wiggle it out. You could see that the old gasket's there. We're gonna have to scrape it off, or maybe it comes off. Let's see. Put the one here. Oh man. You don't want it to fall into the. You don't want it to fall in the holes. Well, let me use both hands. Okay, so I was able to carefully take it off. There's still some stuff there I'm gonna clean up with a towel. There's the old one. You can see how it's like breaking apart. There's a new one. That's the old EGR valve. There's a new one. And we're just gonna reverse the process. I'm gonna clean that up, make sure it's clean, and it should be good. Alright, so I had to actually cut off the ends of the gasket there for it to actually fit. I don't know if it was just a a defective gasket they sent me, or if they sent me the wrong one, but I mean, it's gonna do its job. All I did was cut off the ends of it. With the pressure of the EGR valve on top of it, it's gonna seal. So whatever. So there it is. There's no wiggle to it at all. Just connect where is it, right here? Connect that joint to it. No, we should be good. Yep, that's basically it. Get the old one, put it in a box, throw it away, and we're done. It's an easy job.